dear students, welcome to GLA University. My name is Anuradha Pandey. Today I am going to discuss with you a grammar topic, that is parts of speech. This topic is very important for correct and effective writing and speaking. One thing is also very important for this topic is that it is not enough to have only knowledge of parts of speech. Rather, one needs to identify the parts of speech in sentence and also its uses and correct function of parts of speech in sentence. Today I am going to discuss all the 8 parts of speech. In English, there are 8 types of words, and these 8 types of words are known as parts of speech. They are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. We will look at each part of speech one by one. First is noun. What is noun? A noun is a word that is used for classifying objects, places, events, and naming people. In other words, we can say that whatever we see with our open eyes in our surrounding, that is noun. For example, things, table, chair, we can see it, people, animals, and place. So these are all nouns. There are kinds of nouns. Proper noun. Proper noun is the particular name of person, place, or thing. For example, Aman, Delhi, name of any person and thing and place. Common noun, which refers to some class of objects. For example, student, teacher. Ram is a student. Shyam is a student. What is common between two? That is, they are student. So, it is common noun. Collective noun. Collective noun which refers to group. For example, herd, flock, etc. Abstract noun. Abstract noun which refers to feelings, ideas which we cannot see, which we cannot touch, only we can feel. That is abstract noun. For example, love, honesty, hatred. Material noun. Material noun is a material or substance from which the things are made. For example, cotton, iron, gold, etc. So this is noun. According to another classification, there are 2 kinds of noun. One is countable, other is uncountable. Countable nouns which we count. For example, books, bottles, etc. Uncountable nouns which we cannot count. For example, milk, water, etc. So this is all about noun. Next part of speech is pronoun. What is pronoun? It is pro plus noun. Means something that is used in place of noun. For example, Arnav is in the kitchen. He is cooking porridge. So in this sentence you can see that Arnav is in the kitchen, and again, instead of using again the name, that is noun, proper noun Arnav, instead of using this proper noun again, we have used here he. So he, the word is used in place of proper noun. So we can call it pronoun. So the function of pronoun in a sentence, that is to avoid repetition of noun. There are kinds of noun. Pronoun, that is personal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Next is verbs. Verbs are very, very important. Why? Because no English sentence completes without verbs. And this is the verb which has tense. So, first of all, what do we mean by verb? Verbs are words that show an action in a sentence. We can have example, Kavita is playing football in the playground. Now in this sentence, which action is going on? So the action is playing. We can say that this is a verb. In the next sentence also, I am drinking a cup of coffee. Which action is going on? That is again drinking. So we can say that playing and drinking, these two words are here verbs that show an action. Verbs can also show state. State means situation, condition. For example, she is happy. Now there is no action word. There is no action going on. Only state is there. She is happy. How is she? She is happy. So the word is here verb. In these sentences also, besides the main verb, besides the action words, playing and drinking, there is one more word, that is. And in this sentence, am. So is and am here are the words that are helping to main verb, that is playing and drinking. So we can say that these are helping verbs and these are another verb. So we can have here two kinds of verbs that are auxiliary verbs, that is called helping verb, and main verbs that show an action. So verbs are words that show not only action but also state. One more thing related to verbs. Verbs have different tenses which indicate. For example, there are two aspects of verbs, time and aspect. Aspect here means continuous, completed. Means whether the action is going on or it is completed. And time, with time we come to know that whether the action belongs to past or present or future. So this is the verb which has tense in the sentence, and that is why it is very, very important. Next is adjectives. Now what is adjective? So adjective is a word which qualifies or describes or modifies somehow noun or pronoun in a sentence. We can have different types of adjectives. The first is quality or type. Adjective of quality. For example, this is a white cap. Okay, as per the definition, adjectives qualify noun or pronoun. So first of all, we need to identify what is noun in a sentence. This is a white cap. This is a cap. What is noun here? So this is cap. Cap is noun. Okay, which word is there which is qualifying or telling something more about this noun, this cap? So there is a word that is white. So we can say that this is an adjective of quality. Next is adjective of size. This is a big house. Again, firstly we will focus on the noun or pronoun if it is there in the sentence. This is a big house. House is noun. Now this word that is coming before house, that is coming before noun, big. Big refers here the size of the house. It means this is the word which is adjective. And what kind of adjective? It is adjective of size. Next is adjective of number. I have many books. First of all, what is noun in this sentence? I have books. Books, this word is noun. I have many books. I have 2 books. So this 2, many, 3, these words are referring to number. and this is called adjective of number. Next is adjective of possession. This is my book. This is his book. So my, his, here in this sentence here it functions as an adjective because it is coming just before noun. Noun is book and it is coming before noun. So the word which comes before noun qualifies somehow noun is called adjective. So this word my is coming before noun. So we can say that this is an adjective of possession. So there are many more kinds of adjectives. Next is adverbs. What is adverbs? First of all, adverbs are words that add something to the meaning of verb. As its name suggests, adverb. It is adding something to the meaning of verb. For example, Sanket is running quickly. So, since it will add something to the meaning of verb, so in the sentence, first of all, we need to identify what is verb. Sanket is running. Running is action word here. So, it is verb, main verb. And how he is running? So he is running very quickly. He is running quickly. So quickly is the word which is adding something more to the verb that is running. And this is how it is called adverb of manner, because it answers the question in what manner he is running. So Sanket is running quickly. This is called adverb of manner, the first kind of adverb. Next is he always obeys his parents. He obeys his parents. What is verb here? Obeys. In what manner or how frequently? So it is always obeys his parents. So this is called adverb of frequency. Always, never. These are adverbs of frequency. In the same way, in another sentence, I will not go there. I will not go there. In this sentence, we can see that there is referring to place. So we can say that this is adverb of place. I will not go where? So it answers the question, I will not go there. So this is called adverb of frequency, adverb of place. So this is how we can say that adverbs are words that add something to the meaning of verbs. But this is not the complete definition of adverbs. Again, adverbs also modify another adverb in the sentence. How? Let's see with the help of example. Sanket is running very quickly. Now, in this sentence, Sanket is running quickly. Question may be asked that Sanket is running how much quickly? So this is very quickly. As here we have discussed that quickly is adverb. In this sentence, before this word quickly, which is already adverb, there is another word that is very. And here it is adding something to the meaning of adverb. So this word again is an adverb in this sentence. So we can say that adverbs also modify another adverb in the sentence. Adverbs also modify adjectives. I am very happy. So first of all, we need to know what is adjective in the sentence. I am happy. So happy is the word which is telling something about I. I am happy. How much happy I am? I am very happy. This word very here adding something to the meaning of adjective. So we can say that it is here modifying adjective, this word very. Now we can say that adverbs are words that modify not only verb, not only adverb, but also adjectives. Next is conjunctions. So conjunctions join. It join two words, two phrases and two clauses. How? Let's see. And before that, there are some common examples of conjunctions, that is and, or, but, so, while, because, etc. There is a sentence, I like tea and coffee. Tea, coffee, these are two words and joined by and. So this is the word which is joining tea and coffee, and we can say that this is conjunction, because in the definition conjunction join two words. So here it is joining. In the next sentence, she goes to the tennis club because she likes to play tennis. You can see here, she goes to the tennis club. This is one clause. She likes to play tennis. This is another clause. So these are two clauses. And you can see one more word there between two clauses, that is because. Because here joins two clauses, and that is why it is called conjunction. Again, there is a sentence, gold is hidden at the beach or by the lakeside. In this sentence, we can see at the beach, this is one phrase. By the lakeside, this is another phrase. Now, one word is there, or, which is joining these two phrases. This is how we can say that conjunctions are words that join two words, two phrases and two clauses. There are types of conjunctions, for example, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, etc. Next is prepositions. Prepositions, pre plus preposition, pre plus position. It means place before noun. The function, the role of preposition in a sentence, that it connects noun phrase to the other part of the sentence. Preposition connects noun phrase to the other part of the sentence. For example, I will see you at the college on Monday. I will see you at the college. The college is noun phrase, and the relation between the college and I will see you is being established by a word that is at. So we can say that this at is here, this at is here a preposition. On Monday, when? On Monday. So this is again a noun phrase which is connected by the rest of the part of the sentence with the word on, and this is how on is also another preposition in the same sentence. This is how we can say that preposition is also very important. Next, we can say last but not the least, that is interjection. Interjections are small words without any grammatical value. It means the use of interjection makes no difference grammatically in a sentence. And why do we use interjection? So interjections we use just to express our emotion, sudden feelings. For example, hooray, I won the lottery. So I won the lottery. With this sentence I am expressing my emotion that I am very happy. And the word hooray, that is used to show it, to express happiness. There are many more words related to interjections. For example, wow, hooray, bravo, alas, hi, hello. So these are the words to express emotions, feelings, etc. For example, damn, I missed the train. This word damn is used here to express disappointment. So in the same way, we can use different words according to feelings, according to emotions. One more thing related to interjection is that it is used more commonly in speech rather than writing. So this is all about parts of speech. In brief, this is the general overview of parts of speech. We will discuss it in detail in our classroom. Till then, good luck. Goodbye.